Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Dashgupta from Cheenta.com. Today I want to share with you the 4 pillars of the Cheenta Math Ecosystem. Make sure you're attending all 4 of them. Together they can really create a successful journey for the student. So the first thing is obvious, the concept class that happens every week. Some of the best faculty members at Cheenta, who are themselves at some leading universities in India or abroad, they are conducting these sessions. Now, depending on which group you are in, whether you are in India or you are in United States or Australia or United Kingdom, depending where you are, these classes can happen once or twice every week. They are also clubbed together sometimes with some one-on-one classes. So make sure to discuss this with your mentor or the admin who is managing your account. They will be able to tell you how many one-on-one classes are added with your concept class. The second pillar are the problem-solving workshops. These are really important. They can happen 2 to 5 times every week depending on which group you are in. Problem-solving workshops are the bread and butter of Cheenta programs. The most successful students, the students who performed really well in the mathematical Olympiads or the ISI-CMI entrances or the university entrances like went into Harvard or MIT or ISI or CMI, they consistently attended these problem workshops. These workshops expose you to a variety of problems every day, and initially you may find these things difficult because you may not know all the concepts, but that's all right. I would suggest that you continue solving them, continue attending them, and slowly you will build enough strategy and enough concepts so that you can start participating, start contributing in the problem solving activity. So attending problem workshops are extremely important. The third pillar are the peer math circles. It's so important. 3 to 5 students are participants of a single math circle, and usually an advanced student or a faculty member may be a coordinator of a math circle. They usually meet twice every month, sometimes thrice every month, and they come together. They solve beautiful problems, and all through the week they discuss on those problems. This is important because it brings in a continuity in your academic pursuit. It brings in an ambience of problem solving, which is very, very important. It's not that you attend a class and you are gone, like it's done. No, that it won't work like that. You have to be always in the process. So the peer math circles are really successful. Some students actively participate in it and they do really well in the actual entrances and exams. So if you are not participating in a peer math circle, I strongly suggest you talk to your personal admin and you participate in a peer math circle. It is not a one-off thing. You have to be always in the process. And the fourth and the final thing are the research projects. This is really the pinnacle, the cherry on the top. So several Cheenta students, even from middle school and high school and college and university grades, they participate in research projects. Researching a new problem really opens up your mind. It makes you self-motivated to search for techniques and ideas to solve a problem. Now, there are very limited vacancy for research projects at Cheenta because they are usually conducted by researchers at some university, either in India or abroad, some of the better universities, and therefore we have very few people who can actually conduct a research project. But whenever there is a vacancy, we announce it. So please look out for that, and if you can, participate in a research project. They are also great for your CV if you are planning to apply universities in United States or United Kingdom. These research projects can be excellent additional material. So take advantage of all 4 pillars of mathematics.